Hi, welcome back to Graphilus. In this video we will talk about the Canva editor part, and for that first we have to create a blank canvas on which we can edit our design. For that let's quickly create design. Let's create an Instagram post for instance. So our blank canvas is created here. Okay, this part is also divided into some panels like the topmost panel, the left panel. So let's start with the top panel. On these three lines you can navigate back to the home page and you can see the recent designs. You can create a new design. In the file option you will see many sub options. So this is the particular name part of your design, so you can just quickly edit it, click it as sample. Okay, you can name it as you like. This is the Instagram post size by Graphilus, that is our name, and this is particularly the size of your canvas. Next we have create a new design. You can create a new design in any format you like. A new web page will open for that and a new blank canvas will be displayed. Next is import files. You can import your pre-designed or your already designed things to Canva by this option. Next we have settings option. You can choose these views, like you can click on show rulers and guide, and rulers and guides will be shown here. Next we see is the guides. These all lines will be seen here. You can customize it from here, how many lines you want. You can customize the number, your gap and all that stuff. Next we have is save. So a great thing about Canva is that your changes, whatever change you make, will be saved automatically. You don't have to press any Ctrl S or any of that stuff to save your progress. Okay, next we have move to folder. So you can save this particular design, whatever you create, to particular folder. Like earlier we created a sample folder, so you can just save your design and move. So a design will be saved there. Okay, design added to sample folder. Okay, so next we got a make a copy option from which you can duplicate this design. Okay, you can rename that design to some other and you can keep both the copies. Next we have download. So clicking this you can download your template. So download option opens up. You can first you have to make definitely some changes on this design to download. This is a blank canvas, so it won't be downloaded yet. Next we have version history. This is particularly for the pro pack. Okay, next we have here is view all comments. So when you share this design with your teammate or any of your friend, so they can comment on your design that this part can be changed or those stuff. So whenever a comment is added to your design, it can be viewed from here, this option. Find and replace text. Definitely you can find a text when you have multiple pages opened. Next we have open in desktop app. If you have a desktop app installed in your Windows laptop, you can definitely open this design on your desktop app. Suggest improvement. That's a Canva part. You can suggest some improvement for Canva if you have. Next we have resize and magic switch. Okay, this is particularly for Canva. You can read the following functionalities here. Here you can see the undo command and the redo command here, and the shortcut for that is also mentioned. Next we have the save. So this part displayed when your changes that you make are saved. If there is any issue, then you can see this option as cross, or it might show an error here. Okay, so this part is also a rename option for your design. Okay, you can quickly re-edit it to some other name. Next we have the email ID that you have logged in through, and you can add some other collaborators with their email ID. You can send them request, they can collaborate with you on this particular design. You can be added to their team, you can edit their design and all this stuff. Next is the insight. So whenever you share this particular design to some social media platform or with your team also, so there will be total views and all that views. This is also particularly available for Canva Pro. Next we have the share tab. So you can share the design to some of your group or team members or any other people with particular email ID. So you can control the access of that shared design also, like you can share it with logged access, or anyone can with the link can access your design. Next we have here is schedule. This is option available for pro membership. public view link. So any of the, particularly for a presentation, when you share a link, then public can view your presentations, so it's a good option. Next we have templating and presentation. You can also present your design in full screen or presenter view, particularly for presentations. Next we have the download tab, so you can click on download. You can export your downloads to your PC or laptop. Next we have share on social, so you can share your designs directly to your linked Instagram account or Facebook or any other platform you can see here. Next we have print with Canva. You can get your design, whichever design, printed in any of these particular formats by Canva. The pricing will be displayed according to the number of products or the particularly the quantity you want to order. Next we have more options. You can check this out. You have copy to clipboard, move to folder, send to phone, embed. You can embed the designs in your websites if you create. Next we have share to social media, save, all in one part where you can find every options. So we will talk about it later as we progress through this video lecture. So this was the top panel. This is all for this particular video. Next we will talk about the left panel of this particular editor part. So see you next time. Please do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.